Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Email's price. In short, Get Emails has two main pricing options. The cheapest match test plan starts at $0 a month with 25 email addresses. Meanwhile, the starter package costs $99 a month and includes 400 email addresses, and the last package is customizable. You pick email addresses. Get Email's pricing options. Used by the smartest marketing teams on the planet. Flexible, upgrade, downgrade, or cancel at any time. Affordable. Targeted and engaged contacts start at just 25 cents. Scalable. Custom pricing for enterprise accounts. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.